Welcome everybody to another video with me, your one and only Waltz. And today we are playing Sky Children of the Light. I do remember the title now because I have very good memory, photographic memory. I do not know what game you're playing. I do not know what game you're playing. I do not know what game you're playing. To be said. Oh wait, I think my screen is too dark. Wait, let me change that. Okay, back here in this game. I've been playing this game a little because I really like this game actually. Who knew this fun and beautiful game is something that I would like? Where? Oh, don't fly, character, don't fly. I don't know what's your name. I don't know what's your name. So I want to call you Mia. That's what I'm going to call you. Character, your name is officially Mia. I don't know what's your name in the game, but I don't care. Your name is Mia now. Okay, I learned a few things. These candles and those things up above, these, okay. Those are something that I don't know what. Oh god, it's lagging. Did I? No, why is it lagging? Ugh. Sound, are you lagging? I don't know, I'm not wearing my headphones. Okay, these candles right here, these candles, it can restore my light energy. You see, I used up to do nothing, fall back, break my ankles, and somehow they slowly, 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 a little slowly. No, not yet, not yet. A little more smaller. Okay, now they are filled to the brim. That would change in a while. And these gray color spirit things, those are not actually in-game things. I think because I found out that these are actual people. This is an online game. I mean, how could I not know that? And it seems to be partly Chinese, which is okay. I mean Mandarin. Mandarin, not that Mandarin. No, not that Mandarin. Okay, Chinese. Okay, let's stick with Chinese. Those gray color things, those are actual people, and if I light them up with my candle, hope this guy would want me to light him up with a candle. I'm sorry guy, I don't know. Oh god, I need okay, that makes a sound actually. You guys heard the sound? Okay, I can't light him up with a candle right now, but I think you guys get the gist. So let's go back to where we were once before, the daylight paradise. Oh, it is very bright. How can I reduce the exposure? I do not know. Okay, and let me tell you guys, I am one. Oh, and we could stop here, stop at these little stations to reload our wings, and we can like change our wings as well. You see, look. I want to get this guy. Oh, look at it. Look at it. It looks like a hoodie. You know those now kinds people, the 21st century people wear hoodies. I don't know. They are just jackets with no zip on it. Hoodies. Okay. So I must have annoyed 50% of this game's population. Why? Because to find out that this happens when I light them up, I literally went and lit up everybody I saw in one day. Everybody that played the game with me that day. Oh god, they were freaking annoyed. I I lit them up, all of them. So as you guys might have seen from last episode's um thumbnail, I should go and fly into that. I've learned the present and the future. Not Let's not rally about the past, because our past, oh god, I think this game is making me poetic. I think that's a bad thing, guys. Help. Okay, nonetheless, Oh wait, I got another lost spirit. You guys might have not noticed, but I got a lost spirit. I got a lost spirit. He looked like a bad thing. I don't know, but I thought I got it off camera. I guess I forgot to record. I guess I do not know. I'm stupid. Don't know that. Okay, let's see. Can I use this lost spirit to activate this guy? Can I? Is there something I can? This out. Okay, it needs 2 spirits. Another 2 more. Anymore. What if? Okay, forget about that. Let's go fly to. I forgot what is this called. Let me just go there. Okay, this area, and I seen that. I think that is an upgrade for my wings. Is it? Oh yes, winged light lets you fly higher. Level 5. Got that upgrade. You guys never see that coming because I am that great. Okay, time to fly. Where? I did not get an introduction to that. What is that? Can I know what is that? Yes, I should fly there. Fly there. There. Okay. What? I thought I leveled up. What? Whoa. Calm down, Mia. Calm down. What's this? Ooh, burn you. I hope you're burned. How much burning you need more? Is that all? Okay. How about you? You need some burning too, my man. My guy. MacGyver. My man. Okay, what did that do? Those gave you weird eyebrows. Oh wait, those eyebrows went away. How sad. I am sad about that. Okay, no, nothing to do. We can't be crying over spilled milk. Haha. Hopefully you guys did not spill any milk, because if you did, I wouldn't be crying. Ooh, what's that? Oh, can I up the volume? Oh god. Okay. I have to light all of those up. Oh, what's that? Oh, I did not know. Oh, how could I have not known? I'm so dumb. I mean, that was always known. That is known. That's a known fact. But fly. Let me just go there and land. Okay. Oh, is that another winged light? That does not look like a winged light. Okay. I look like a winged child, but not a winged light. Yes, give me another sweet wing, baby. Great. So the next flying one. Oh, I almost fell. What's that? Did I go? Okay, I did went there. I did go there before. What is wrong with me? Again, okay. That. Fly. Ugh, don't be gliding, my Mia. Mia, 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 Mia. What is wrong with you, Mia? Oh, hi, lost spirit. Want some help? Oh, you look like Mickey Mouse. Aha, where did you go? Ooh, come back here, fat Mickey Mouse. Okay. Ooh, I guess this is daughter or sister or wife. One of those kinds. I don't know. I'm not that smart. Okay, okay. You carry stuff? Carry stuff? Okay, okay. I get that you carry stuff. And bring it up here. Let me just bring you closer. Bring you guys closer. Okay, wait. Okay. I guess you guys carry stuff. Is that all? Okay. Okay. Oh. 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 What? Mama bird? Are you the mama bird? I have a very strong feeling that I should be flying and soaring through the air to the... Oh. 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 Oh, that's big. Oh. Well. Oh. Oh, come on, finish, hurry, come on. Mama bird. No, mama bird. Where did you go? No, come on. Oh, okay, you carry stuff. What do you want me to do about it? Come on. Okay? Come on, continue your story. Come. Okay. Let me burn you up. Ugh. Let me burn you up. Okay. I have relieved you from your suffering. Hope that helped. Hope that helped. Hope that helped. Okay. So you catch those right. The story of this game is actually very intriguing. You see, that is Mickey Mouse, but fat. No, I think I'll get demonetized if I say Mickey Mouse. What is that? Oh, is it a laughing? Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Just gotta say that is actually very nice. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That is very nice. That is very nice. Thank you for showing me that. I am very relieved. Okay, that is nice. That is great. Ooh, big bird. Oh, what? No, why let me look at my big... Get out. I want to go see Big Bird. Big Bird. Ooh, mama. Oh, God. Oh, mama. Oh, I'm flying with you. That's awesome. That is awesome. I am glitching. But so it's awesome. It's awesome, man. God, why are you going back to that gliding position? Oh, oof, I think I goofed. I think this is what people call as goofed. Let me go back there. Oh. I think I goofed. This is what people call as goofed. If you go search the definition of goofed, they'll bring up this video at this part. The definition of goofed is me. It's me. Haha! Me Get it? Get it, guys? Me Yeah, you guys get it. You guys are smart. If a dumb guy as me, can make up the joke, how could you not get it? Come on, come on, come on, fly properly, Mia. Fly. Fly as good, as greatly as you can, Mia. Mia, Mia, I believe in you, Mia. Mia, come on, Mia, come on, come on, Mia. You can do this, you can do this. Yes, Mia. Oh, the wind here is very strong. Okay, great, great job. Proud of you, Mia. Proud of you. Extremely proud of you. Mia, 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 Mia. Okay, okay, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Mia, 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 Mia. Come on. Oh, this is dark. This is dark. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Glass of champagne. Let's see what we're going to do there. I am coming. I am. Oh, those are very good animations. These are lost spirits. Nah, this guy right here. This is the other lost spirit. Sitting down. Isn't that the guy? Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Big guy. Big guy. You must be the brother of Frog Guy. Because we look very similar to Frog Guy. Are you going to open another gate? Yeah, you are. Yeah, I think you're going to open another gate. Because at the start menu there, the Frog Guy became a gate. You should become a gate too. Okay, okay. I see that butterfly many times. Those butterflies are nothing. Oh, you catch butterflies. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Yeah, you open another gate. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh wait, the video's not finished yet, guys. Don't go away. I'm still here. Okay, okay, okay. What is this? Yeah, I got both. Yeah, I did get both. Yeah. And this the catching butterfly one from the other dude. Yeah, this dude. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Must unlock previous node first. What is node? What? Huh? What? What is a node? What is a node? Oh my god, what is a node? Okay, who cares? Who cares? Who cares what's a node? Okay? Bring love and love to the spirit to earn special rewards. Would you like to know more? Of course I do. Find all the spirits. Travel deep into the kingdoms of sky and search for the lost spirits. Bring them light. Bring them, whatever that is, light to the spirits to learn new expressions and blessings. Express yourself. Give love to the spirits to learn to earn those things and other special items like musical instruments. Assign your friendship, blah blah blah. Oh, what? Enhance your expressions. Each expression can upgrade and luminous effects and new poses. You mean I can learn jujitsu and Confucio or anything that answers soup? Okay. How about soup? Can I learn how to make soup? I guess Daylight Prairie. Sure. Daylight Prairie. Oh. Another cutscene. What is coming up? Oh, knew it, called it. It's butterflies. I didn't know butterflies could come out from that many. I mean, how did those butterflies even live? Hey guys, everybody that's beside me, I am the one who's going to get the butterflies, not you, not me. I know that. I know. Get out, get out, get out. Press and hold yourself to. Oh, oh, oh. That, that is cool. That is cool. Okay, okay, okay. That is awesome. That is awesome. Okay, gotta admit, that is awesome. Okay, okay, okay. That is actually awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Mwah. Okay, okay. I guess this seems like a great place to end this video. Come on, sure. Hey, here you go. Wanna be friends? Yay! I'm Mia. Okay, okay. I think I burned her enough. Hi. Hi. I think I can talk to them. Nope. Okay, I think this is a great place to end this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed, and do whatever you should do that is positive to my channel, because that is good. And I guess that's all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.